Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we have learned how to create a Facebook page and how to do its some common settings. We end the video where I was telling you how to change the name of your page. If you click on the address bar, you can see that after .com there is some string written. I want my page name to be written over here. For example, if I click on this and click on its address bar, you can see that the page name is given over here. But in my page, in this case, there is a string. I want to change this string with the name of the page. So for that, let's begin our video today from here. For that, you have to log into your Facebook account, then switch to the page. This is my personal ID. Now I'm moving and switching to bags and bags, which I already have done. You can see it's shown over here. This icon, this DP shows that I am right now acting as the page bags and bags. Click on the bags here. This will open you the dashboard of your page. And you can see I already have done this here. Remember the last clips of the video where I was telling you how to change the name, and there I checked a few names and those names were not available. Later on I found this name and I changed it to Bags and Bags. Double S. Page. Here I can change the name of the page. I can edit the name of the page and can add other names also, and I can edit the username also. For example, I want to give it a name, bags and. So let me tell you once again how I did it. Go to the settings, go to page setup, name, and here I already have changed, so that's why it is written bags and bags. I am in the page and my page name is here. Move to the next part. Let's continue and open the professional dashboard. We have completed till invite people to connect. Here, and of course we have done page access. Now let's move to the business meta suite. I want to schedule a few posts and stories for my page. When I click it over here, this arrow shows that this will be open in the new tab. Here is the option to connect your Instagram. Right now I don't have Instagram in it, so it is asking me to connect. And if you are creating a Facebook page, you should create an Instagram account and connect it with the page from here in business suite, and at the top connect Instagram option. Here you can see there is an option notification planner where we usually plan our posts. Let's say I create a post, create a story. I'm randomly selecting a post. Let's say I select this. The aspect ratio of this post is 742 into 611, and it is not the aspect ratio for the stories. That's why you can see these gray lines at the top and at the bottom. If I select any post which is having the same aspect ratio as of the story, you can see it 1080 into 1920 is the aspect ratio, or in other words we call it 9 is into 9 is to 16 ratio. You can see that this image covers the whole frame. If I click on share, it will be shared right away, and if I schedule it, it will schedule at the given time and date. Share it now. See, this is now available over here that you have posted two stories. In the content section, you can see the content that you already have published, and inside tools, and if you click on view all insights, it will bring you on this page. Here is an important option, audience. I don't have 100 followers, that's why it is looking like this. I will show you with another page that how this page will look like. Important is this benchmark. Click on this benchmark. Here you can add some business to watch. For example, this one, I want to add a business. Let's say my competitors bags which has 893, bags bazaar 1.1k. Let's see, I'm selecting this one, and I can add up to 100 pages in the benchmark. If I click finish, this is a good tool for competitor analysis, that how your competitors are performing as compared to you. Here you have other sections like video performance, audience performance, loyalty, retention. Let's check this video performance. Although we haven't uploaded any video, so that's why it is empty. Let me open another page on which I have stories and I have videos to show you all these options. I will click on this drop down and select a page. I will select this page. Now you can observe I am on another page. Now I'm no more on bags page. Here, overview, you can now see that how it looks like. View insights. It is overall performance of my page. Results, how my results are working. My audience. Right now I have 759 followers on Facebook and 265 followers on Instagram. Here you can see the age and gender of my followers on Facebook and Instagram. 64% women and 35% men, 70% women and 29% men. My audience is mostly from Karachi on Facebook and Karachi on Instagram. And you can see my Instagram audience is mostly from Karachi, Lahore, Rawalpindi, Faisalabad and Quetta. But my Facebook audience is from Multan, Quetta, Peshawar, Sakhar, Larkana and so on. My page is also have followers from other countries like from India, from United States, Canada and Arab Emirates. And my Facebook page has reached to these countries. So if I open this benchmarking, I can see I have uploaded 43 posts and my content directions are 11 for the date of 22 April to 19 May 24. Business to watch, I can add businesses over here. I already have added a few business and you can see that this page is being 1.5 million page likes and as compared to that you can see other pages also. In messaging option, when you click over here, it will open you the message section of the, it will open you that how many messages did you receive and further inside of your ads also, that if you have run any ad for messages, so it will give you the insight of that. Overview of content. So you can see that reels reach to 25 people and other posts reach 23 people. These interactions are, these insights are very much important when you are working for a client and they need the analytics and reports from you. You can share these analytics of Facebook posts, Facebook stories, Instagram posts, and Instagram stories with your client. If you see the content, you will find the content that you have posted up till now. Let's click on performance of videos. I have uploaded a few reels on this page. Let's see how these reels are performing. 19 minutes viewed till 22 April to 19 May. Organically 100%. People reach to my page organically. There is no paid promotion. Non-followers were 19.4. and these were the videos which I uploaded. The dates are written here, and you can see that how many of them view 1 minute video, 20 seconds video, 33% initial pace. So this data is important when you are retargeting your audience. When you create custom audience, you will use this type of area, this type of audience to retarget. Let's see audience. Right now I haven't uploaded any new video, as you have seen that my last video was uploaded in September. So the audience, uh, the video audience overview is in front of you. Only 4 followers have seen this video. Non-followers have 14 views. Non-followers have 14 views. Loyalty, let's see. Here you can see the people who have unfollowed your page or how many new followers you have. One new follower I have till the date 28, sorry, till last 1 month. If I click and I select 1st March till 17th May and update. Let's see, three followers in previous month. In the selected period of time, I got 3 new followers, and one followers was the previous, and one people who unfollow me as well. So you can check the loyalty of your customers here, that how they are interacting with your page. These are the top videos by returning views. This video was uploaded on 5th September, and its performance is at the top as compared to the previous one. So for today's video, so that's all from. And now this insight option is completed. If I click on the inbox menu, you will see that the messages from Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp all together on one platform. And that's all from today's video. Hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and share it with your family and friends. In the next video, we will learn how to utilize the message option, message automation, and inbox option of your page for your business. If you are following my videos, you must have seen my previous video in which I explain you how to create the Facebook page professionally. Share the link if you have created the page. What you have learned today, apply this on your page and let me know in the comments. If you have any query or question, ask me in the comment. I will reply you in my coming video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.